Most people think the problem after a setback is confidence. It's not. The real problem is this: you don't trust yourself to make decisions anymore. And when that happens, you hesitate, you overthink, you ask 5 people for advice, and somehow you still feel stuck. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make clear, grounded decisions, even when you don't trust yourself yet. And here is the shift. You're not going to rebuild trust fast. You're going to borrow structure until trust comes back. After a major disruption, job loss, divorce, failure, your brain is not thinking clearly. It's in threat mode. And threat mode does 2 things. It makes every decision feel high stakes, and it makes you doubt every choice. You start saying, I need more time. I need to feel ready. I need to be sure. Nope. That's how people stay stuck for months, sometimes years. If you don't trust yourself yet, how do you actually make decisions? I'm going to break this down into 5 tactical shifts. 1. Use decision filters, not feelings. The first mistake people make, they use feelings to make decisions. But after a setback, your feelings are unstable. So instead, you need a filter. Ask yourself this: does this move stabilize me or destabilize me? That's it. Not do I feel like it, not is this perfect, stable or unstable. For example, quitting your job impulsively, unstable. Sending one application, stable. This one filter alone will eliminate most bad decisions. Number 2, shrink the decision. You don't have a decision problem. You have a decision size problem. After a setback, people ask, what should I do with my life? What question is too big? Your brain shuts down. Instead, reduce it. Not what's my purpose, but what's my next step in the next 24 hours? Clarity comes from movement, not thinking. Number 3, use the 70% rule. This is where most people get stuck. They wait until they're feeling 100% sure. That moment never comes. High performers don't wait for certainty. They move at the 70%. If something is 70% clear, 70% safe, 70% aligned, you move, because waiting for 100% is how you stay stuck. And this is important. You rebuild self-trust by making decisions, not avoiding them. Number 4, separate decisions from identity. After a setback, every decision feels heavy, because now you're thinking, what if I fail again? A wrong decision becomes, I'm broken. That's the distortion. You need to shift this. A decision is not a declaration. It's a test. You're not deciding your whole life. You're running an experiment. And experiments are allowed to fail. That removes pressure. And pressure is what's blocking your clarity. Number 5, borrow from structure. This is the most important shift. You don't need self-trust to make decisions. You need structure. And when pilots lose visibility, they don't trust instinct. They trust instruments. Same thing here. Instead of asking, do I trust myself? Ask, am I following a system? Here is a simple one. Delay big decisions for 5 to 7 days. Only make small stabilizing moves. Use the filter stable or unstable. Move at 70% clarity. That system becomes your confidence. I've seen this so many times. High-performing women lose one job, go through one breakup, and have one setback. And suddenly they say, I don't trust myself anymore. But the truth is this: your intelligence didn't disappear. Your stability did. And once you restore structure, decision-making comes back faster than you expect. If you're in this place right now where you don't trust yourself, hear this clearly. You're not broken. You are disoriented. And disoriented people don't need confidence. They need structure. In the next video, I'll show you how to rebuild your life without starting over, because most people rebuild from scratch, and that's where they lose years. If you want structure now, join the 5-day challenge below, and I'll see you in the next one.